7 tips for building a business that customers love. 1. Solve a real problem. Identify a problem or pain point customers face and create a solution for it. Customers will choose your business if it addresses a need they have. 2. Offer high-quality products or services. Deliver products or services that meet or exceed customer expectations. Quality should be a top priority in everything your business does. 3. Create a great user experience. Customers appreciate simplicity and convenience, so focus on making their experience as smooth and pleasant as possible. 4. Deliver on promises. Follow through on your promises and commitments. This builds trust and credibility with customers, which is critical for building lasting relationships. 5. Build a community. Cultivate a community around your business by engaging with customers on social media, hosting events, and offering loyalty programs. This can foster a sense of belonging and loyalty among your customers. 6. Provide excellent customer service. Offer exceptional customer service, including prompt responses to inquiries and complaints. Responding to feedback and addressing customer concerns shows that you care about their satisfaction. 7. Focus on innovation. Continuously innovate and improve your business to stay ahead of the competition. Customers love creative and forward-thinking businesses. Follow for more business tips and strategies.